What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on SAVA ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the news that drives the price of this ticker. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast and the probable outcome for this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we have this massive sell-off during last couple of days. From Thursday and Friday, we have the sell-off for about 55% and it was massive. And from this point, from the lowest point on April the 20th, it has a growth of 369%. So, and what is this company about and what are they doing? Let's start with their profile. Cassava Sciences, a clinical stage biotechnology company, develops drugs for neurodegenerative diseases. Its lead therapeutic product candidate is simufilam, a small molecule drug which is completed phase 2b clinical trial. And the investigational diagnostic product candidate is SavaDx, a blood-based biomarker diagnostic to detect Alzheimer's disease. So, and right here on their official website, you can find on the investor section this news, latest news that was published on July 29th. And it's titled Oral Presentation, Encouraging Interim Results at 9 months from an Open-Label Study of simufilam in Alzheimer's Disease. And here is this study, here is this presentation, and you can read it by yourself, and the results are really impressive, I have to say, as far as I understand all this news. And here is the summary. We are on Yahoo Finance and this article was published on July 29th and it's titled Cassava Sciences announced positive cognition data with simufilam in Alzheimer's disease. And let me quote you these bullets. Simufilam significantly improves cognition in patients with Alzheimer's in interim analysis of open label study at 9 months. Cognition improved 3.0 points on ADAS-Cog at 9 months. Cognitive improvements track with biomarker improvements. No behavior disorders in over 50% of patients. No safety issues. Improvements in cognition, biomarkers and behavior suggest highly encouraging treatment effects. Oral presentation at AAIC today. So, and this news is really bullish news for this ticker, but they still have this massive sell-off for about 50%. And basically for now it is very difficult to say what was the real reason. For example, right here on July 29th we have just a matter of fact that Cassava shares dropped despite presenting positive data on simufilam for Alzheimer's. And right here we have even positive news, positive article that was written on July the 30th, and it's titled Cassava Sciences simufilam is the first Alzheimer's drug to work at 9 months and the benefit is growing. And this news is also extremely bullish, but we still have this massive decline. And right here we have the article that was published on July the 30th as well, and it's titled Cassava Sciences drugs rivals lower amid concerns over its Alzheimer's drug. And let me quote you these bullets. A group of biotech companies focused on developing treatments for Alzheimer's disease is trading lower in the pre-market, continuing their losses on Thursday following updates to their development programs. Cassava Sciences has lost 16.2% in early trading after the company disclosed cognition data yesterday for its Alzheimer's candidate simufilam from an interim analysis. A Start News article cited independent researchers who expressed doubts about the purported benefits of the drug and called the study results overblown, inappropriate, and uninterpretable. A novice buyer has followed suit with a 12.2% loss in early trading after the company revealed data from 2 mid-stage trials which indicated its Alzheimer's candidate ANVS-401 failed to outperform the placebo in certain measures in the disease. And this might be one of the potential catalysts that drives the price not only a novice bio, but also the SAVA ticker to the downside. Next one, with the 4.3% drop, Average Life Science has also extended the losses into a pre-market as investors take stock of the data revealed by the company from a mouse study of its Alzheimer's asset ANAVEX 2-73. As shown in the graph, all three stocks have multiplied in value in the year so far, driven in part by the FDA approval won by Biogen for its Alzheimer's drug Aduhelm. And as you can see, all these companies was extremely bullish until the July 29th, and since then it has a massive decline in their value. And in my opinion, this is just a technical sell-off, because despite of this statement, and here is this article, it was published on statnews.com, and despite of this news, we don't have any major fundamentals that might drive the price of this ticker to the downside with this massive sell-off of more than 53%. And let me show you the short volume ratio. For now, according to fintel.io, we have a short volume ratio of 20.92%. And according to finviz.com, we have the short float of around 11.82%. I don't think that these numbers might drive the price of this ticker to the downside with this massive power, but it still happened. And in my opinion, it is a technical sell-off that, first of all, was driven by some negative news. Potentially, this might be the first catalyst. And the next one, right after this price action exceed the level of previous all-time high, a lot of investors added their new position because of this breakout, and they added with the leverage. And potentially some of them maybe put their stop loss right here at this very point at the level of around $130. And when the price goes lower, it's triggered all the margin calls and all the stop loss orders, and this drives the price of this ticker even lower. So, and before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Well, I don't know much about this type of companies, and I don't know much about the Alzheimer's disease, but I can see the clear patterns that we have on this price chart. First of all, we have this trend line, and as you can see, we didn't even hit this trend line so far, and we still have a possibility to hit it in near future. And let me show you that all the indicators on 4 hours time frame and on daily time frame are pointing to the downside, and this means we still have a chance to go even lower with this price action despite of this level that we hit so far. And basically, in my opinion, these two tops might be the support for the price right now, because it was a resistance right here. And despite of this, we might have some bounce to the upside, and then we might retest this level. And let me show you one more confluence zone. First of all, if I measure the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, what do we have here? We hit exactly the 0.786 level, and right here we have this trend line. And if I compare it with this next movement to the upside, what do we have here? We didn't even hit the 0.786 level at the price point of around $56. And we have a confluence level with this support line that is our trend line so far. So this means we still have a possibility to hit this point at around $56, and then we might have some reaction. So, and what should you do if you want to invest in this company? First of all, you have to do your own due diligence, and you have to understand what is the future of this cure, and what they have to do in order to achieve new goals with their Alzheimer research. And right after that, you can accumulate your position, because more than 50% discount, it is a very good discount for any type of stocks, especially with this type of biotech companies. But you have to be extremely cautious, because this stock has huge volatility, and we can easily go lower, and our level of around $56 might not be the obstacle on the way to the downside, and we easily can break the level of previous bottom right here at around $31. That's why you have to be extremely cautious. So I think from the technical standpoint you still have to be cautious, and you have to wait until we will see some price action around the level of $70 to $65. And right after that I'll do another update for this ticker, and I will do my forecast for this stock. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!